शिवसमारम्भां शङ्कराचार्यमध्यमाम् अस्मदाचार्यपर्यन्तां वन्दे गुरुपरम्परा। Chapter 6, verse number 5. उद्धरेदात्मनात्मानम् नात्मानमवसादयेत् आत्मैव ह्यात्मनो बन्धुः आत्मैव रिपुरात्मनः। Lord Krishna, dealing with the topic of Dhyana Yoga, contemplation meditation, Vedantic meditation. One can practice Vedantic meditation having received the teaching for a length of time. Teaching of what? Vedantic teaching. Teaching about that self-knowledge. Aham Brahmasmi Jnanam. How one can receive that knowledge? By withdrawing oneself from the materialistic world. Vairagyam. Through Karma Yoga, through Upasana. Through Karma Yoga, one attains Chitta Shuddhi. Yoga Rudhasya Tasya Eva Shamaha Karanam Uchyadena. In the third shloka, Lord Krishna said, Arurukshoho Munehe Yogam. A person who wants to attain self-knowledge in his spiritual pursuit, karma eva karanam uchyate. Arurukshoho. A person who wants to pursue the self-knowledge, mumukshu, not any other method, Bhagavan has given only karma yoga. Only karma yoga, performing one's own duty without any expectation of results. That karma eva karanam. Once, if you attain Chitta Shuddhi, purification of the mind, how do I know I got the purification of the mind? I love towards that moksha. I desire for self-knowledge. I desire to meet Mahatmas. I desire to study Shastra. So that itself is a sign of refinement of the mind. So you are all having that natural. Bhagavan Chulran, Krishna Paramatma is telling. Then yoga rudhasya tasya. Once he has achieved, accomplished what he has to accomplish, jnana yogyata through karma yoga, yoga rudhasya tasya eva. Now he is ready for what? Shamaha karanam uchyate. He has to withdraw. Shamaha alone, that means withdrawal. Mind control. Mind control means nivritti ityarthaha. Nivritti, not pravritti, not outward but inwards. He loved to stay alone, he loved to study, he loved to listen, he loved to do all these spiritual sadhanas, shamaha. Then fourth shloka, when he is able to withdraw his senses, indriyartheshu, yada indriyartheshu karmasu na anushajyate. In spite of performing all the duties, actions, na anushajyate, he is not attached, a grihastha person. Lord Krishna talking about a mahagrihastha. Family, children, lot of duties are there. But this person is not attached to any member of the family. At the same time, performing all his duties without fail. Na anushajyate. He is not having any craving, attachment, not worry, not having any worry about the future. Insecurity are not there. Sarva sankalpa sannyasi. Sannyasi means he renounced all the sankalpas. It has to be like this, it has to happen like this. He will never bother too much now. He perform his duty and leave that rest to the Lord. The Sarva Sankalpa Sannyasi. Such person alone is called Yoga Rudhaha iti uchyate. Such person alone is called Yoga Rudhaha. Yoga Rudha means contemplative mind person. Contemplative mind means he is ready to do nididhyasanam. Total mind priority is only Atma Jnanam. He want to get Nishtha in that. He want to establish in that. She want to establish in that. That mind is always tended to Atma Chintanam. Aham Brahmasmi. I am not the body, mind, anything. This flesh, blood, bones, I am not. Even mind, buddhi, intellect, I am not. Always at the subconscious level, this Atma Chintanam is going on. Tambura Shruti Madri. Yoga Rudhaha. Climbing and sitting in Anna. Where? On Brahman. Sitting on Brahman, don't take literally. And the Brahma Swarupam, the Enada Swarupam. So he is remaining in that all the time. Like this, O Arjuna, one has to take care of his life. Uddharet Atmana Atmanam. Very important shloka, oft quoted verse. Uddharet. Here Lord Krishna is giving, having given in fourth shloka that karma yoga. The first sadhana is karma yoga. Second sadhana is self-effort. Purusha prayatnam. Idella upadesham pandrar Bhagavan. Nalla karma yogam pannu. Real sannyasi is not that sannyasi who is renouncing that Agnihotram and all, who is changing dress. He is not a real sannyasi. Arjuna, you are the real sannyasi. Do your duty without any attachment like a lotus leaf in the water. Do your duty. Never think Atma Jnana comes to only to those sannyasis, to those people who are living in the ashramas, in the busy Pandi Bazar, busy T Nagar, busy Madras. I am not going to get moksha. Never think like that. Wherever you are, in which ashrama you are, it doesn't matter. What is your mind is the matter here, not your ashrama. Therefore, Arjuna, uddharet. Take care of your life. You can make your life, you can mar your life. Make your life. That means what? You are responsible to your life goal to achieve. Never tell other people, no? Your father is responsible, mother is responsible, wife is responsible, or children are responsible. My children are so cooperative, that's why I am able to come to class. Don't say like that. Okay? They are helping, it is okay. But nothing can stop me from my goal. That's what Lord Krishna says. Look into the shloka. We are seeing this shloka only last class. Uddharet means urdhvam haret. Take yourself, uplift yourself. One should uplift oneself. Atmanam, oneself. Oneself means individual has to uplift himself. See, having goal in life itself shows that we have choice in our life. Having choice itself shows you are having goal of life. Having goal of life, that means I want to achieve this. I want to attain this. That is the goal of life. I want to accomplish this. That goal of life itself is the evident for your free will. Free will and goal of life are synonyms. Free will வேற goal of life is வேற கிடையாது. எது goal of life நமக்கு choice இருக்கு, goal of life is there, that itself shows you have free will. In Sanskrit what we call Purushartha. You plan your house what way you want. Your puja graham, it should be like this. Choice, free will. And what way I want my bedroom, green room, guest room, kitchen room. What a choice. A dog cannot have a choice. A bird cannot have a choice. You see the crow nest. எப்பவுமே ஒரே மாதிரி இருக்கும். In a bird nest you see same generation it constructs same way. No change. Even in food also, cow never planned to go to Woodland Hotel. It has no choice. No? We are so fortunate. Today Woodlands, tomorrow Savera, another way, another 5-star hotel. Illena veetlane nalla sambar sadam. Innuma choice paruga. So it is a privilege. Birds, animals cannot afford to have a different type of food, different type of house. Dress chollave venda pavam. They have no dress at all. We the human beings having this privilege, free will. Therefore Arjuna, use your free will. Uddharet. Atmana Atmanam. Have a goal. Atmanam na avasadayet. Never destroy yourself. Na adho nayet. Avasadayet means never destroy yourself by negative tendencies, pessimistic thinking, inferiority complex, guilt, hurt, all these problems. Never look down upon yourself, never destroy yourself. The guilt, hurt, all these problems, emotional problems. Emotions you cannot avoid. Inevitable to come. Emotions no one can avoid. But you need not carry away by those emotions, past emotions. Past is already dead and gone. We don't have choice over the past. About future, or we have choice? We have choice. Even present also we don't have choice. Present is going on. Prarabdha. Prabala prarabdha, durbala prarabdha, manda prarabdha. Even present also I don't have control. Because up to 7:30 you have to sit here. So, Prabala Prarabdha, you have no choice, you have to undergo a present life. Even Manda Prarabdha, you can manage. Some pain you have to undergo physically or some financially or some problems. You can manage Manda Prarabdha. Durbala Prarabdha means a feeble Prarabdha you can avoid by doing some Prayaschitta Karma. Some remedial measures you can manage somehow. So over the past, over the present, we don't have a choice. So about the future you have a little bit choice. Now take up the decision to fight in the battlefield. Perform your duty, karma yoga. get Jnana Yogyata and understand the truth. So future is in your hands, some extent at least. அது வேறு ஆத்ம கிருபா, ஈஸ்வர கிருபா, சாஸ்திர கிருபா, குரு கிருபா அதெல்லாம் இருக்கட்டும். ஏன்னா ஆத்ம கிருபான்னு ஒன்று இருக்கு, அதுதான் செல்ஃப் எஃபர்ட். ஆத்ம கிருப்பான்னா செல்ஃப் கிரேஸ், ஒன்ஸ் ஓன்ஸ் கிரேஸ். ஈஸ்வரா கிரேஸ் இஸ் தேர் சொல்கிறோம் இல்லையோ. நீங்கள் ஒரு அடி வச்சு பகவான் 9 அடி வைப்பார். நீங்கள் பார்த்தோம் இவர். As we are seeing, just like that we talk. If you put one step further, Bhagavan will put 9 steps for you. Yes, okay, that is fine. That means one step you have to put, no. There are people, if Bhagavan likes to give me moksha, liberation, he will give. If Bhagavan is not interested in giving moksha to me, liberation, even my free will is useless. There are people, they talk like this. No. Therefore, liberation vanda, moksha vanda varatum. Bhagavan kuduthana kudupar avladha. Nadakkaradhu nadakattum anna. Eppadi nadakkum anna. So this shloka is meant to stop the complaining, stop the seeking total help from outer world or from Ishvara. Your prayatna is important, Bhagavan is telling. That is the meaning of this shloka. Other self-effort is the second advice given by the Lord. So Atma Kripa is highlighted here. Atma Kripa means self-confidence is the real grace of God. I will tell you, not I am telling. Shastra says, what is the Ishvara Kripa? Ishvara Kripa is nothing but Atma Kripa. Atma Kripa means self-confidence. If you have self-confidence, this is the other name for Ishvara's grace. Ishvara's grace ku இன்னொரு பேர் என்னன்னா self-confidence, தன்னம்பிக்கை. தம் நம்பிக்கை இருக்கவனுக்கு எப்பவுமே பகவான் கிருபை இருந்துட்டே இருக்கும். எப்பவுமே இருந்துட்டே இருக்கு. ஆனாலும் தன் நம்பிக்கை இல்லாதவனுக்கு ஈஸ்வர கிருபை கூட இல்லாத மாதிரிதான். தன்னம்பிக்கை குறையா இருக்கேன். That person is a weak person, emotionally weak. A weak-minded person can never get Atmajnana. Therefore, Atmaiva Atmana Bandhu. Individual is a friend to individual. The individual, here Atma means not self, Satchidananda Atma, here Atma means individual. The person is friend to himself. Shankaracharya writes here Atma means Karya Karana Sanghata. Karya Karana Sanghata means body mind complex. Enna complex? நமக்கு இல்லை inferiority complex or superiority complex இருக்கும். Bhagavan says, forget about that complex, understand this body mind complex. Karyam Karana Sanghata. Sense organs Karanam. Karyam, the body, the Karya Karana Sanghata, you understand. This Karya Karana Sanghata are body mind complex or sense organs also you include. Atmana eva Atmanaha Bandhu. Your healthy body alone is your friend. Your healthy mind alone is your friend. Your healthy sense organs alone your friend. Opposite, Ripuhu yaru, who is enemy? Your unhealthy body is alone user Ripuhu. Ripuhu is enemy. Your unhealthy mind alone is your enemy. Your unhealthy sense organs alone is, they are only enemies. Not anyone else in the world. Atmanaha Ripuhu, Atma eva. Oneself alone, body, mind, sense organs, complex alone, you have to add there. Unhealthy. Unhealthy means not disciplined, not mastered. He has not mastered. Indisciplined, person's sense organs, indisciplined body, indisciplined mind is the enemy of one's own life. Therefore, take up Ashtanga Yoga and solrar Bhagavan. Ashtanga Yoga is to improve the body health, sense organs health, and mental health. So, improper priorities in the life is the problem. All our life, wrong notions, misconceptions at the mental level, not taking proper food, not taking proper rest, not taking proper books, not reading proper books, not having proper friends. All these are all unhealthy way. 4-5 சீரியல் பார்த்தா போதும் நம்ம மனசு எப்படி ஆயிடும்னு உங்களுக்கே தெரியும். இப்போ வர சீரியல், ப்ரோக்ராம்ஸ், சினிமாஸ் பார்த்தா என்ன ஆயிடும் மனசு? என்னதான் கதி? அதோ கதிதான். ஏன்னா அந்த அந்த அளவுக்கு இருக்கு அப்படி அந்த சீரியல்ஸ் எல்லாமே. ஏதோ லக்கிலி ஃபார்ச்சுனேட்லி சம் சேனல்ஸ் ஆர் தேர், ஸ்பிரிச்சுவல் ஓரியன்டட் சேனல்ஸ். தேங்க் காட் ஃபார் தோஸ் பீப்புள், தோஸ் ஹூ ஆர் இன்ட்ரெஸ்டட் இன் சீயிங் ஆர் தேர். Therefore, Bhartrihari writes in one shloka, that shloka says this: Ajanan dahatmyam patatu shalabha tivra dahane. Ajanan, not knowing, Ajanan dahatmyam, the fire, big conflagration, not knowing that Ajanan dahatmyam patatu shalabha. Shalabha means vettikili. This the kili and the grasshopper, it fall in that fire. Patatu shalabha tivra dahane. In that fire, it will fall because it doesn't know it is a fire. It thinks that something to eat. Therefore, it goes. It goes near, just like that, it becomes ashes. Ajanan, not knowing, unknowingly it goes. Then Saha meenopyajnanat badishayuta mashnatum pishitam. Saha meenaha, that fish in that ocean, there is a fish, no? That also, meenaha api ajnanat badishayuta mashnatum. That fisherman put something, no? Badisha. Put some prey there, no? So that it can go and eat. No? Badishayutum ashnatum pishitam. This meena runs fast and to catch that prey to eat, no? For food. And caught by that hook, died. Fish also do not know. But whereas this human being, see, vijanannapyete Vijanantepi ete vaham vayamiha. Vijanannapi, we know, we the human beings. Bhartrihari is a great scholar. He writes, Vijanante api ete vayamiha. Even we the human beings, even knowingly what we are doing, vipajjala jatila. We are falling in pitfall, problems. With attachment, janana, marana, samsara, chakra, because of so many desires, because of so much of attachment. He says, vipat, apada, sampado naiva sampadaha, vipado naiva vipadaha, sampada samsmaranam vishnoho, vipad vismaranam harehe. Yedi vipatana, forgetting God is vipat, apat. என்னடா ஆபத்தன, ஐயோ பகவான் மறந்துட்டானே என்ன. அப்போ அக்கேஷனலி ரிமெம்பரிங் பகவான், எக்ஸாம்ஸ் டைமோ, கல்யாணத்துக்கு முன்னாடியோ, கல்யாணம் ஆகிறதுக்கோ, அதர் டைமிங்ஸ் நோ. விபத், விபத் ஜாலம். ஜாலம் என்ன? நெட். அந்த ஜாலத்தில் ப்ராப்ளம்ங்கிற ஜாலத்தில் விடணும் போய். தெரிஞ்சு 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 எப்படி தெரியறது என்ன? ஈக்கன்னு புத்தி ஒன்று கொடுத்துருக்காரு பகவான். Old age, vyadhi, all these things, birth, death, cycle, dukkha, how much dukkha? Pallu vali podume. முட்டி வலி போதுமே, என்ன வலி, தலைவலி வந்தா எவ்வளவு வைராகியமே வந்துடும். 1 hour headache is sufficient to create சன்னியாசமே வாங்கிட்டு போகலாமான்னு தோணும். அதுக்கப்புறம் ஆஃப்டர் 1 hour headache gone அண்ணா, again டிவி, wonderful serial அண்ணா. our vairagyam is like this. It is the human mind nature. Vipajjala jatila na munchama kaman ahaha. Oh, we are not coming out, we are not able to quench our desires, kaman. We are not able to quench our desires. One desire fulfilling, 10 desires are increasing other side. So therefore, Gahane Moha Mahima. How deep this delusion. The Kama delusion, Kama, Moha delusion is so powerful, so deep. One sense organs is so powerful, it is pulling the person towards the materialistic world. So many bodies we have taken, again we are ready for another body. Not coming to the class properly, studying, trying to get another body ready. என்ன பாடியோ தெரியல, சரியா கிளாஸுக்கு வரலன்னா வார்னிங் அப்பப்போ சொல்லணும். I have to tell this warning, caution, like on cigarette case they give. Every puff is promise, injurious to health. அது மாதிரி whole life is so attractive, so nice, fascinating, but at the same time Shastra warns, readiya irukka mrityu devata, understand which body you are going to get, you do not know. Study Shastra, get moksha, say aham brahmasmi, goodbye to next birth. vandadane class ki next shloka. Fine, Bhagavan solli mudichittaru eppadi. You are only the master to yourself. You are only have to take care of your life. Nobody is responsible in this world. So okay, how to know I am responsible? What to do? Tell me. What to do? Then Bhagavan gives the clues in the 6th shloka. Bandhuratmatmanastasya yenatmaivatmana jitah anatmanastu shatrutve martetatmaiva shatruvat. Now Bhagavan is giving the self-integration course, self-integrated course. Here whenever I use the self, you have to take oneself, the person, he himself or herself. Anartham. Self-integration means functioning of body, mind, sense, intellect in harmony is called self-integration. Manasyekam, vachasyekam, karmanyekam, mahatmanaha. And there is no split personality, there is no procrastination, there is no hidden agenda. Very open, very simple, humble, open person, straightforward, honest, trust, faith, all are there. Such a person, life is so wonderful. That's why sometimes by 2-3 wonderful qualities we will be carried away by them and miss some other important qualities. This is what happens in many people life. So therefore we have to fill up the gap. எப்படி பல்லுக்கு ஃபில்லிங் பண்ணுறல, ஃபில்லிங் பண்ணுறோம் இல்லையா, அது மாதிரி செல்ஃப் கான்ஃபிடென்ஸ், செல்ஃப் எஃபர்ட், செல்ஃப் மாஸ்டரி, faith, trust, honesty, straightforwardness, courage, so many are required. அந்த ஒரு நல்ல குணம் வச்சுட்டு he is go on praising himself. எல்லாரும் please understand me, understand me, understand me. What to understand? First come out of that pity mindedness. Why you want other people to understand your compassion? This is what another weakness. I am so honest and go on telling honest. What a timid fellow. What is the use of honesty? But so courageous person, very honesty person, but no confidence. Enna courage enna? Useless courage. But not having priority what to achieve in the life. All wrong goals. So therefore where we are going wrong anadhu namakke theriyadu sometimes. Adukku da shastram. The shastra darpanam irundha நமக்கு என்னென்ன லூப் ஹோல்ஸ் இருக்கு, எங்கெங்க தப்பு பண்றோம், என்னென்ன குறைகள் இருக்குன்னு சொல்லி சாஸ்திரா இஸ் த மிரர். அது வரத்துக்குள்ள நமக்கு 60 வருஷம் 70 வருஷம் முடியறது. என்ன பண்றது? தட்ஸ் a young age itself you have to enter into shastra. With humility you study shastra, you know where you are lacking what. If I come late to the Shastra, dedicate your 24 hours for Shastra, at least rest of the life. Don't waste your time, even a second. Lord Krishna says, control, master your sense organs. Look at the shloka. It is a uphill task. The uphill task, when the train is going hill side, it's very difficult. This one engine cannot pull their whole train, all bogies. It cannot go. Therefore, what they do, no? In the Ooty Kodaikanal side, they put another engine. Backside, pushing engine. That pulling engine is pushing engine. அது மாதிரி நமக்கு கூட ஏதாவது புஷிங் இன்ஜின் இருக்க பின்னாடி. நமக்கு புல்லிங் இன்ஜின் வீக்காக இருக்கு. என்ன? செல்ஃப் எஃபர்ட். என்ன சாமி எத்தனை பண்ணாலும் இவ்வளோதான் இப்படிதான் ஆயிண்டே இருக்கேன்னு சொல்லிட்டே இருப்பான். தட்ஸ் வை தே இன் சாஸ்திர தே கிவ் ஒன் எக்ஸாம்பிள், பியூட்டிஃபுல் எக்ஸாம்பிள். ஒன்ஸ் one bird, small sparrow, it puts its eggs on the bank of the ocean. It puts the eggs, and the eggs அது வச்சதுக்கு அப்புறம் and the big wave comes, and when the big wave comes, along with that wave, when it goes back, all the eggs also go along with that wave. And this bird come and saw that there are no eggs, and it has understood these waves are only took my eggs. Therefore what it did, no, I want to get my eggs and solli or a drop of a blade of grass it took and started dipping in the ocean and putting the drop outside. So it want to dry up, make the ocean empty. If I make the whole ocean empty, my eggs will come out. I can see where my eggs are there. And it is go on taking one drop, let and putting outside. Again dipping, putting outside. Again dipping and putting outside. Then Narada saw this one day. What is this foolish sparrow doing? Then Narada was watching. Continuously, untiringly go on doing. Is it possible to dry up that ocean? This sparrow is not stopping. Narada said, why you are doing all this foolish work, job? You keep quiet. I want to do this. I want to get my eggs. Then Narada went to Swarga, Vaikuntha. He told to Bhagavan, you see that sparrow, what it is doing? With confidence, full of effort. Impossible, it want to make possible. Is it possible? Are you having karuna and that compassion? Then Lord Vishnu said, look at Garuda, Vahanam. Go and help the sparrow. And the Garuda came and just one wing, two wings, whole water evaporated because of that air. And the sparrow got the eggs. The sparrow is so happy. Appa, my blade of grass, this work well. taking dip of water outside. See, my effort has worked. Really, its work is nothing. Bhagavan's grace. One step of a sparrow, 9 steps of Bhagavan's grace. Is the back engine, pushing. Swamini, idella kadai. Nijama nadakkuman. Ananyas chintayanto mam yejanah paryupasate. Bhagavan is going to say that shloka later. Nambinal. So, if you trust Bhagavan, He will help. That's why never disappoint yourself in adverse situations. Remember Bhagavan more and more. He will come and help. All problems will be solved. Solved illa, dissolved. Problems are not there to solve, but the problems will be dissolved. That means He will give jnanam, He will give guru, He will give shastra, He will give health, He will give wealth also. What not, tell me? If you have self-confidence. Uddhared atmanat. That's condition. Marakakudadu. Eppo idella varum anna. Look at the shloka. Bandhuratma atmanasya. Tasya. Now look into the first line. Yena atma jitaha. Second half of the first line. Yena atma jitaha. By whom? Yena means by whom the self is conquered. Jitaha means conquered. Ji to conquer. Ji dhatu. Ji jaye. Jaya means what? Conquering. Conquering what? Atma jitaha. Self is conquered. Self means what? Karya karana sanghata, conquered. Karya karana sanghata means what? Body mind complex conquered. What do you mean by conquering body mind complex? Keeping the body healthy, at least to some extent, is called conquering the body. Keeping a healthy mind, not a sick mind, a healthy emotions, not unhealthy emotions, not pessimistic ideas, pessimistic thoughts, but optimistic, positive, right thoughts entertaining in the mind is called mastery on one's own mind. That's why Yama Niyamas to take care of moral personality. Asana to take care of physical personality. Pranayama to take care of vital personality. Pratyahara is to take care of sense organs personality. Healthy sense organs. Dharana, dhyana, samadhi for intellect. Mind, mental personality. Psychological personality. Emotional personality, psychological personality, physical personality. All personalities are taken care of by one simple Ashtanga Yoga. Then, therefore what? Come to yoga class. If you are not a yoga student, come to yoga class. If you are a yoga student, come to Vedanta class. Settling the people into this to that, that to this, in a ball nadichana madri. In the court la irukra bar, and the court la kadikana. Andala irukra idula irukana. Full you have to get the score finally. Ball keela vidakudadu. Get the score. Ashtanga yoga, karma yoga, upasana yoga, jnana yoga, fulfill, achieve, get the gold medal, Nobel Prize, Padma Shri, Nobel Prize. Who gives? Who gives? Uddhared atmanatmanam. You yourself. Nobody can give. I will tell you, nobody can give you Nobel Prize. You are the one. That's why entertain nobler thoughts. That is Nobel Prize. Entertaining noble thoughts is called Nobel Prize. Noble thoughts, divine thoughts, godly thoughts, divine activities, godly activities. So therefore, yena atma jitaha, jitendriyaha ityarthaha. Whose sense organs are controlled. Atmana eva. How he controls? this body-mind complex, by his own sense organs, by his own mind, antakaranam. Vashikritaha ityartha. Kandade kaatchi, kondade kolam illamal, what to see, what not to see. Discrimination. Viveka is there. What to eat, what not to eat. Viveka is there. What to talk, what not to talk. Viveka is there. He is having Atma Anatma Viveka. He know what is priority in my life. What is the goal also he knows. How to work for that goal also he knows. How to handle the things also to achieve that goal also he knows. Or she knows. This is called mastery. In every disappointment sees the appointment. Every disappointment, every failure Bhagavan gives really. Every failure Bhagavan comes through Bhagavan alone. Every failure, every pain, physical pain, any pain in that, for that matter, whatever we are undergoing, but we never remember that when we are under painful situations. That's why we require maturity. Every problem, every pain comes through Bhagavan. Bhagavan, you are giving to me. Oh, I have to find out what lesson you are going to teach me. Because I want spiritual growth. Idlo edo spiritual growth irukka enakku. Appo thank சொல்லணும் பகவானுக்கு. அப்பா ஒரு வாட்டி ரொம்ப பெயின்ஃபுல்லா கூட இருக்கும். என்னன்னா கீமோதெரபி மாதிரி. கீமோதெரபி it is a remedy actually. பவர்ஃபுல் ரெமெடி. என்ன ரெமெடியோ தெரியாது. அதுலேருந்து சில பேர் அவுட் ஆகிடுறான். தட்ஸ் வே சில பேர் சூசைட் பண்ணுற. பகவான் எப்போ கஷ்டம் கொடுக்கும்போது அந்த பெயினுக்கு தாங்கணும். யூ ஹாவ் டு வித் ஸ்டாண்ட். தட் இஸ் கால்ட் இம்யூனிட்டி. நம்ம என்ன பண்ணுறோம்னா அங்கே அவுட் லைட். இத்தனை கஷ்டம் வந்து யாரா உட்கார முடியும், நிற்க முடியும்னு. யூ ஹாவ் டு ஸ்டாண்ட். ஹூ வில் ஸ்டாண்ட்? யூ ஹாவ் டு ஸ்டாண்ட் இன் எவ்ரி ஃபெயிலியர். ஈவன் பர்சன்ஸ் டிசோசியேஷன், near and dear person may leave you permanently. Sometimes we do not know. The whole property, lakhs and lakhs of rupees you may lose. Even your health you may lose. Doesn't matter. But every pain there is a Bhagavan's grace blessing. இது புரிஞ்சா யாருக்கு புரியும்னா நிஷ்காம கர்மயோகிக்கு தான் புரியும். கர்மயோகிக்கு தான் புரியும். Moksha is my goal. All these are all Bhagavan tests for me. இந்த மாதிரி ஒரு எண்ணம் இருந்தால் நோய் நோயாக தெரியாது, கஷ்டம் கஷ்டமாகவே தெரியாது, வியாதி மூலமாக வர பெயினாகவே தெரியாது. அது இன்சிக்னிஃபிகண்ட். ஈவன் ஃபைனான்ஷியல் பாவர்ட்டி ஆல்சோ யூ டோன்ட் ஃபீல் அட் ஆல். யூ see the blessing in disguise. Poverty is also a blessing in disguise. So therefore everything is blessing in disguise. A person who is having a spiritual vision. Therefore, Jitatma. This person is called Jitatma. Yena Atma Jitaha Atmana. By his own sense organs, by his own mind, by his own body, he conquers his body, he conquers his mind, he conquers his sense organs. Such a person, Bhagavan will take care of. Atmana Jitaha Atmanaha Bandhu. For such a person, his mind is a friend, his body is a friend, his sense organs are friends. They will take him. That's why in Kathopanishad, Atmanam Rathinam Vidhi, Shariram Rathamevatu, Buddhintu Sarathim Vidhi, Manah Pragrahamevacha, Indriyani Hayanahu, Vishayagum Steshu Gocharan. See, your body is itself a chariot. Your intellect is the driver. Your sense organs are like roads. Your mind is like sense organ like horses, and mind is like kadivalam, reins, and the sense objects are all like roads. And the chariot, the driver has to take this Yajamana who is sitting in this chariot body. If I control my body, mind control means directing to spiritual dimension side. If I direct that side with proper understanding, goal, this jiva will attain moksha. This is Radhakalpana given by Yamadharma Raja in the Kathopanishad. to Nachiketas. So never forget Deho Devalayam. Alayam. Dehame Devalayam. Kuttichavar Aham Kukara. He is great, she is great, that man is great, this man is great. What you are, I am useless. Gurupar Bhagavan. Shut your mouth. You are that Bhagavan. Recognize that you are Bhagavan. How to recognize Swamini? Come to class. Bandhu, such a person, mind, sense organs are friends. Bandhu and relative. Who are real relatives? Satyam Jnanam, Satyam Mata Pita Jnanam, Dharma Bhrata Dayasake, Shanti Patni, Kshama Putra, Shadaite, Mama Bandhavaha. Dharmaraja said, Dharmaraja asked by one Yaksha, who is your real relative, bandhu, wife, children? Satyam Mata, speaking truth, is my mother. Satyam Mata, Dharma Bhrata, my brother is Dharmam. Daya Sakhe, my friends are, my compassion is my friend. Daya Sakhe. Who is your wife? Shanti Patni, my tolerance power is my Patni. Kshama Putra, Kshama means forgiveness. My children are none other than forgiving others are my children. Shadaite Mama Bandhavaha, all these 6 are my real relatives. Satyam Mata Pita Jnanam, Dharma Bhrata Daya Sakhe, Shanti Patni Kshama Putra, Shanti and peace. பத்னி வந்து பீஸ் கொடுக்கணும் ஹஸ்பண்டுக்கு. சாந்தி பத்னி, அசாந்தி கொடுக்கக்கூடாது. மோஸ்ட் அசாந்தி தான் கொடுக்குறாங்க எல்லாருமே. சாந்தி பத்னி க்ஷமா புத்திர ஷடைதே மம பாந்தவாக. பந்து என்ன சொன்ன ஸ்லோகம்? பந்துன்னு சொல்லிட்டார் பகவான். பந்து. தென் கம் டு செகண்ட் லைன். அனாத்மனஹ, who controls his sense organs, mind, body, mind complex, those sense organs, mind, body is his friends. Who is not controlling, opposite. Anatmanaha means who has not mastered, disciplined his self organs, sense organs, body, mind, intellect. That person, anatmanaha eva atma Shatrutve Shatruvat Varteta. His own sense organs, indisciplined sense organs, indisciplined mind, indisciplined intellect, indisciplined body alone, Shatrutve Shatruvat Varteta. Shatrutve means Shatru Bhavena, with inimical nature. Shatru Bhave, Shatrutve means with enmity in Artha. With inimical nature. Shatruvat, it does apakaram. Unhealthy mind does harm to this person. Unhealthy sense organs do harm to this person. Unhealthy intellect, cholesterol, intellectual arrogance do harm to this person. Unhealthy body, yoga பண்ண மாட்டா, சாப்பிட்டுட்டே இருப்பான். கொஞ்சம் ஆசனம் பண்ணு, சூரிய நமஸ்காரம் பண்றேன், சினிமாவுக்கு போயிட்டு வரேன்னா, போயிட்டு வா, அப்புறம் தெரியும். That is why nobody is interested in this disciplining their things. So, Shatrutve Shatruvat Varteta. They become harmful enemies to this person whose body-mind complex is not organized. This is called orchestra. Not harmonized, synchronized, synthesized. Such persons, now you tell me, your body-mind is a boon or enemy? Healthy and a boon, unhealthy and an enemy. That's why knife is good or bad. If you know how to use it, it is a good instrument. If you do not know how to catch hold, cut kai. Car nallada kettadha. If you know driving properly, it is good. Adara theriyala accident. Anything in this world, if you know how to handle, it is wonderful. If you do not know how to handle, miserable. Similarly, this Karanam, body, mind complex also Karanam, instrument. Body is an instrument, mind is an instrument, sense organs are also instruments. That's why Antaha Karanam, external Karanam, Indriyani Karanani. ஞான இந்திரியாணி கர்ம இந்திரியாணி பிராணம் பாஹ்யகரணானி. ஞான இந்திரியாணி கர்ம இந்திரியாணி பாஹ்யகரணானி. அந்தఃகரணம் பிராண மனசு புத்தி சித்தம் அகங்கார அந்தःகரணானி. All these are karanams. You should know how to use it. How to use it? No, you have to study Shastra. Shastra says thoroughly how to handle it. It's not too late also. At any age, whatever is the age, it doesn't matter. At least start now. Next shloka. So what is the phalam? Suppose you discipline, you master. It is called self-mastery. Self-mastery is world mastery. Don't try to master others, no. World mastery, masters are there. They do not know. Masters and smoke பண்ணிட்டு master lecturer, smoker வந்து lecturer. Doctors smoking பண்ணிட்டு doctors they are treating the patients. என்னதான் masters, they are all very very difficult. So therefore you have to live, not doing, no? Live and teach to the people. Live such a, that's why uphill task I said. It's not easy. Succumb to the weaknesses of the sense organs, pleasures and all very very easy. Falling is very easy. கீழே விழுறது கஷ்டமா தெரியல, ரொம்ப ஈஸி. ஏறுறது மேலே ஏறது கஷ்டம். தண்ணி கீழே போட விடுறதுக்கு ரொம்ப ஈஸி, ரொம்ப போர் பண்ணலாம். அப்படியே மேலே டேங்கிலுக்கு போகணுமன்னா மோட்டம். அது மாதிரி நல்லது கற்றுக்கணும்னா கஷ்டப்படணும், படி ஏறி வரணும், உட்காரணும், கொசு வச்சுட்டு இருக்கணும். என்ன பண்ணுறது? நல்லது எப்பவுமே சுகமாக ஈஸியாக வராது. ஆத்மா மோட்சம்தான் ஈஸியாக வரும். அதுக்கு தான் ப்ரிப்பரேஷன்ஸ் ஆர் ஆல் டஃப், அப்ஹில் டாஸ்க். ஆஃப்டர் தட் சித்த வஸ்து. அப்பா, ஆத்மாவுக்கு ஆயாசம் இல்லாமலே நான் பிரம்மனன்னு சொல்லலாம். அந்த சொல்றதுக்கு நீங்கள் ஃபஸ்ட்டு சாதனை பண்ணணுமே. அந்த சாதனம் தான் கஷ்டம். அதனால சாதனத்திலேயே நிறைய பேர் அவுட்டு. இன்டெலிஜென்ட் பீப்புள் அந்த சாதனத்தில் கஷ்டப்பட்டு கஷ்டப்பட்டு வந்து 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 அகம் பிரம்மாஸ்மி ஈஸி. பிகாஸ் சித்த வஸ்து. யூ நீட் நாட் ஸ்ட்ரகிள் டு ஓன் அப் ஆத்மா. யூ நீட் நாட் டூ எனி திங் டு கெட் ஆத்மா. பட் சாதனாஸ் பண்ணுறதுக்கு கொஞ்சம் கஷ்டப்படணும். ஜிதாத்மனः பிரசாந்தஸ்ய परमात्मा समाहितः शीतोष्ण सुख दुःखेषु तथा मानापमानयोः. This person who master his sense organs, karya karana sanghata, this person easily gets self knowledge. Vedanta is a walk over. Very easily he receives the teaching. Ullangai nellikkani pol karatalamalakavat, he received the teaching. Doubt kadiyadu adila. அதான் சொல்றார் பகவான். என்ன பலம்னா ஃபோர்த் சாதனா சேஸ் திஸ் செல்ஃப் மாஸ்டரி ஜிதாத்மனஹ ஜிதஹா ஆத்மா ஏன சஹ ஜிதாத்மா. பை ஹூம் திஸ் பாடி மைண்ட் காம்ப்ளெக்ஸ் இஸ் காங்கர்ட். ஜிதஹா ஆத்மா ஏன சஹ சஹ ஜிதாத்மா. தஸ்ய ஜிதாத்மனஹ ஆஃப் தட் பர்சன் பிரசாந்தஸ்ய, that person who is maintaining the tranquility, prashantama irukka, apuryamanam achalam pratishtham, like the midst of ocean, magnanimous, gambhiratan. அப்படியே எந்த ப்ராப்ளம் வந்தாலும் நோ ஷேக்கிங், ஷாக் அப்சார்பர். ஷாப், எந்த ஷாப்புக்கு போனோன்னா சாஸ்திரம்ங்கிற ஷாப்புக்கு போனால் குருங்கிற டீலர் வந்து ஷாக் அப்சார்பருங்கிற ஞானம் தருவார். எல்லா ப்ராப்ளம்ஸ் ஒரு ஷாக் அப்சார்பர் போட்டுட்டு ஹோல் வேர்ல்டு தேர் எவ்ரிவேர் பாட் ஹோல்ஸ், நோ பிட் ஹோல்ஸ், நோ பாட் ஹோல்ஸ் ஆர் தேர். எவ்ரி ப்ராப்ளம் இஸ் ஏ பிட் ஹோல், லைக் ஹோல் ப்ராப்ளம் மாதிரி, பிட் ஹோல்ஸ் மாதிரி எவ்ரி ப்ராப்ளம் இஸ் லைக் தேட். இதுக்கு என்ன பண்ணணும்னா ஒரு ஷாக் அப்சார்பர் போட்டுக்கோ. என்ன, நான் பாடி இல்லை, மனசு இல்லை, புத்தி இல்லை, ஒன்றும் கிடையாது, நான் ஆத்மா தான், இந்த ப்ராப்ளம்ஸ் எனக்கு கிடையாது. த குரு இஸ் த டீலர். and he gives this shock absorber. எவ்வளோ காஸ்ட்லி என்ன, எவ்வளோ காஸ்ட்லியா, யூ கேனாட் கிவ் தட் மணி, அமூல்யம் அண்ணா, அதுக்கு விலைக்கு வாங்க முடியாது அந்த அளவுக்கு. கமிஷன் ஒன்றும் வேண்டாமா குருக்கு, டீலர் அண்ணா, அதெல்லாம் உன்னை இஷ்டம், பட் ஆனாலும் அவர் கொடுக்குற ஞானத்துக்கு நீங்கள் விலை கட்ட முடியாது. யூ கேனாட் measure the price to that knowledge. So jitat prashantasya paramatma samahitaha. Paramatma means the supreme self. Sakshat atma jnanena samahitaha is evident for him. When the person is prashantah, controlled, disciplined, atma is evident for him. Samyak atma jnanena vartate. Samaha bhavati, he is same sita ushna sukha dukkheshu tranquil. All the pair of opposites, dvandvas, pair of opposites is same. Sane, therefore same. Be same, therefore sane. Sane same க்கு தெரியாது, சேவை ஞாபகம் வருதா? Sane pure, because he knows the sama atma, equal ஆத்மஸ்வரூபம் இன் எவ்ரிதிங். சம ஆத்மத்தினால் ஞானத்தினால் சமமா இருப்பார். எப்போன்னா எப்போவா, எப்போவுமே, ஆல் த டைம், அப் டு நெக்ஸ்ட் சாட்டர்டே ஆல்சோ சுவாமினி, நெக்ஸ்ட் சாட்டர்டே லைஃப் லாங். மோர் இன் த நெக்ஸ்ட் கிளாஸ். பூர்ணமதః பூர்ணமிதம் பூர்ணாத் பூர்ணமுதச்யதே பூர்ணஸ்ய பூர்ணமாதாய பூர்ணமேவாவசிஷ்யதே. ஓம் சாந்தி சாந்தி சாந்தி. ஹரிः ஓம். ஸ்ரீ குருभ्यो நமः. ஹரிः ஓம்.